What's going on? This is the Predator. UX14 came out with the other mask. Make sure you sub to the channel.
The revolution will be live.
Gonna do a walk around inside. See some good stuff. Ooh. Now this looks nice. Very nice. Sexy, sexy. Alright folks. That's you? Oh man, hold on. What is this, the M package or?
Yeah, it's that package.
Damn, very nice, very nice. Came with all the carbon and all that good stuff. Woo wee! Tell me, you got the Brent tuning on it?
I don't, not yet.
Alright.
I don't know who Brent tunes.
For anyone that has an S1000 or M1000, Brent tuning for that bike is like Brock's to ZX14s.
I know, I'm saying I don't know who does it.
We'll get you hooked up, brother. We'll get you hooked up.
If you know somebody, please let me know.
Hey, me and Moto Mac over there, we know quite a few people.
Yeah.
And you can ask
We'll talk
Tommy,
offline,
brother.
my
But for real, this is how long you had this bike?
10 months.
Damn. That thing's freaking loud. I can imagine.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, they need to change the exhaust. The exhaust that I put on is shit.
Yeah. What is that? That looks custom.
It's a CS Racing thing.
Oh.
The fairing fell off of it.
Ah, got you.
Yeah.
All right. But man, this thing is like carbon up to the T. That's what's up. This is an impromptu what you riding. Comes with all that good stuff on it. Enzo, my man, good to see you, brother. How's everything? Good to miss you, man. Good to see you. All right, Trav, you got. Look at this, B. Oh my goodness. You got the M package, all that carbon. Woo wee. I wonder what it's pushing though. What do you think?
201?
And power to weight ratio, that thing is.
Who said? My son?
Oh yeah. Not, I'm telling him he got to get the Brent tuning for this. You know, get all set up, get the race tools, you're gonna be set.
How do you like the light bag?
It's
helpful, bro. I took my hat in there and everything too.
Yes, sir.
I was tired of carrying my book bag. I want this.
Yeah, I'm done with the bags, bro. I'm getting one of those. I'm like hurting right now. Oh yeah. Yeah. You can control on your phone and everything. I'll send you the link. It's good stuff. All right, folks. We'll be back with my man Mac right there in the building. My brother Gil. All right, we'll see you all in a bit. Peace.